Look at this. Most people look at this and they see a tough piece of meat. I look at this and I see the simplest meal you can make, but it's incredibly delicious. It is so simple, a caveman can do it. The basic cooking skill requirements are boiling water. All right, I tricked you a little bit. You might need to cut the meat a little bit, but it's not nuclear science. Even easier, you don't even need to cut the meat. Your butcher can cut it, or most stores sell meat that's already cut. Hello, thanks for stopping by. This is the Barbaric Eats cooking show. I do like to cut it myself, so I'm gonna start doing that. But if you like to see a detailed tutorial on how to cut chuck, I'm going to put a video in the description of this video where you can see a detailed tutorial on how to break down a piece of chuck. All right, first thing that we need to do is put the meat in a pot. After that, we're going to fill the pot with water. When the water starts to simmer gently, you need to remove the imperfections from your boiling beef. So, as the beef is simmering, you need to, from time to time, keep clearing up the imperfections that are gonna come up to the surface of the water. Meanwhile, you can put a spring of thyme, a bouillon cube, and a bay leaf. And now we're going to let it simmer very gently without boiling for 3 hours. And this is exactly what you want to see during your slow simmer. Very gentle simmer, no violent boiling, and your beef stock is starting to clarify. Okay, so I put the boiled beef in the refrigerator overnight, and I want to show you what it looks like. Okay. All right, do you see that yellow stuff on the top of the beef stock? This is the fat that solidified, and now we're going to remove it from the beef stock. As you can see, my cold beef stock here is a little bit cloudy. And this next step you can avoid entirely if you don't care about crystal clear beef stock, but if you do, you have to make a consommé. So in order to make consommé, you need egg whites and mirepoix. Mirepoix is chopped carrot, onion, and celery. We also gonna use a spoonful of this tomato paste, and I have some fresh ground beef here. I'm gonna run through the consommé process very quickly, so if you want a detailed video on how to make consommé, write me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll make you a video showing you how to do that. First thing, beat the egg whites very good. This is what the egg whites should look like, almost turning into foam. Next thing, we're going to put the mirepoix in the egg whites. After that, a spoonful of tomato paste. Finally, the ground meat. Now you just have to mix the entire mixture. All right, so this is what it looks like when everything is folded together. Okay, so this is the cold beef stock, and now I'm gonna put this mixture in the beef stock while it's still cold. And we're not going to turn on the heat just yet, because we want to whisk everything together just like this. Whisk it really good, and now we are going to turn on the heat to medium temperature. And I hope this happens here because last time when I made consommé was 10 years ago. And this moment right here has the potential of ruining this entire video. And let's see what happens. We're supposed to whisk it really, 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 really good and prevent the egg whites from burning on the bottom of the pot. You see all that thing that's accumulating on the whisk? Okay, I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes and I'll show you what it looks like. This looks like a complete mess, and last time when I made consommé I thought this is a complete failure, this looks horrific, nothing's gonna come out of it, but it came out good. Let's hope this time it's gonna work. Here I have another pot with beef stock where I'm simmering some potatoes, and this is my cold chunks of beef that I'm going to put inside this one after 15 minutes. And I also have these carrots and these mushrooms that are all going to go in here to heat up so they can get together with the consommé. All right, so this is my consommé here. I'm still waiting for it to start bubbling. Meanwhile, I have added the beef and the carrots to the potato beef stock, and if this fails, this is gonna be my beef stock for the soup, and that's what's up. All right, so as you can see, I made a hole in the center of the raft, and looks like my consommé is starting to become crystal clear already. And now all we have to do is scoop some liquid and kind of run it through the raft, pour it over the raft, and this is how you filter your consommé. Of course, a small ladle is gonna be more helpful than me using the smallest spoon that I have at home, which is completely ridiculous. But my ladle that I have here is very big, so I have to punish myself tonight with this small spoon. But as you can see, the beef consommé is very clear. Okay, I think my consommé is perfectly ready. My beef here in this pot and the potatoes and the carrots is ready. So let's try to gently remove that raft from the consommé and see what we end up with here. Just like that, very gently. We're gonna run it through the strainer and see if I'm a success or a miserable failure. All right, so the Barbaric consommé is ready, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to try to do this without collapsing the whole thing. Those carrots are very difficult to position like this. Oh my God, look at how clear this stock is. I am very, very pleased. All right, I'm just going to finish this with a little bit of truffle oil. Not a lot, just a couple of drops here and there for a little bit of, oh my God, look at these truffle pearls. Trying the Barbaric consommé. Oh my God, this looks so delicious. It smells amazing. The kitchen is a complete nightmare, complete disaster. Total failure on this side. But on this side, oh my God, look at this. I can't wait to try this crystal clear beef broth. Let me see. Wow, absolutely delicious. I have a carrot here. Very nice. With a little bit of the broth. This is delicious. I highly recommend it. Wow. So far so good. Let me see, the beef is falling apart. I just want to show you this. Although the beef has simmered for over 3 hours, let me see, you see how it's still pink on the inside? Let me see if I can do this. You see how the beef is still pink on the inside, and that tells me it's very, very juicy. All right, so the Barbaric Consommé, let me try the beef real quick. Oh my God, the moment of truth. Wow. So delicious. Ah. And the beef is still pink on the inside. Wow, delicious. I'm going to try a potato. Potato melts in my mouth. Wow, this is absolutely delicious. It's a classic French recipe, very nice. You don't have to do the consommé. You can just serve it with the beef stock the way it is. I just wanted to try to see how it's gonna look with the consommé. That's why I made it like this. Wow. Delicious. I'm gonna finish this. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. If you want to see more barbaric videos like this, if you have any questions, comments, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. I'll finish the Barbaric Consommé here in the kitchen. It's gonna take me all night to clean this. This is unbelievable. Really, this is delicious. Wow. The truffle. So good. Beef is falling apart.